Children, now see the shrubs. Children, we have seen the trees are very big. But these shrubs, plants that are shorter than trees, plants which are shorter than trees are called shrubs. Plants which are shorter than trees are called shrubs. They grow bushy, children. They grow bushy. Bushy means like these bushes, like you can observe the bushes are present. They grow bushy because their branches grow close to the ground. Okay, so for example, this is ground now, children. Okay, so here the branches are close to the ground. So like this, here see, like this, they will be grown. Next one, their stems are woody. Their stems are strong, children. They are woody and live for many years. Like trees, shrubs also live for many years. What are the examples? See, children, in textbook it is given, page number 35. Rose, see, this is rose. Jasmine, China rose. Rose, jasmine and China rose are the examples for shrubs. Once again I repeat, children, shrubs are shorter than trees. The height is shorter than tree. They grow bushy. Why? Because the branches grow close to the ground, children. And stems are woody, hard and live for many years. Example, rose, jasmine, China rose. Okay. Children, so far we have seen trees and shrubs. Now it is herbs, children. Herbs grow very low. Understand? They grow low. And they have soft and green stems, children. See, herbs are hard and woody. Here, these are soft and green stems. Okay. Next one, they grow less than 1 meter in height, children. The height is less than 1 meter. The height is less than 1 meter. Next one, here see, they grow usually less than 1 meter in height. These plants are called herbs. These plants are called herbs. Most of them live only for few months. Okay, trees and shrubs lives for many years. These live only for few months, children. Okay, next one, here see, most seasonal plants are herbs. Here see, these most seasonal plants are herbs. And very important thing is, some of these are used as medicines. See, children, in medicine, these shrubs are also used as medicines. You know tulsi? Yes, tulsi plant, mint plant, coriander. These are used as medicines also, children. Okay, and the examples are given here. See, brinjal plant, in the textbook it is given. Brinjal plant, tomato plant, lady's finger, coriander. Brinjal plant, tomato plant, lady's finger, coriander. These are the examples for herbs. Once again I repeat, herbs grow low. The height is also less than 1 meter, children. But the stems are soft and green. And they live for only few months. Most seasonal plants are herbs, children. And they are used, some of them are used as in medicines also. Example is tulsi, mint, coriander. And here the examples for herbs are brinjal plant, tomato plant, lady's finger, brinjal plant, tomato plant, lady's finger and coriander. Okay. Children, have you seen the plants climbing on the walls and other trees or other plants? Yes, those are called as climbers. These climbers, actually they have weak stems, children. That is why they need some support. Okay, to stand erect. Erect means straight. So these climbers, this is, children, they climb like this. So here they need some support like a stick or a wall, understand? And here these plants are called climbers. Examples are given, children. Pea plant, bean plant in page number 35. Pea plant, bean plant, grapevine plant. So what are the examples? Pea plant, bee plant, grapevine plant. So once again I repeat, some plants have very weak stems. These are weak stems, children. They need some support to stand erect. To stand erect. Erect means straight. So these are called climbers. Example, pea plant, bean plant and grapevine plant. Okay. Children, now see creepers. Some plants are very weak, children. They spread on the ground. So creepers also, they can't stand erect. Why? Because they are weak. They don't grow erect like trees. Trees grow straight, children, whereas these creepers don't grow straight, children. Such plants are called creepers. Examples are these, children. Watermelon. Do you know watermelon? Yes. Pumpkin. These two plants, they won't grow straight, children. Okay, they spread on the ground. So these are called as creepers. They creep on the ground. Okay, so these are very weak. These are very weak. They spread on the ground, children. So they don't grow erect like trees. Example is watermelon and pumpkin. Okay. Children, now see thorny plants. Children, what do you mean by thorns? Yes, they are sharp points. Okay, they are also called spines. Some plants bear thorns. Okay, they are called thorny plants. Some plants bear thorns. These are called thorny plants. These are sharp pointed structures. So thorny plants, thorns are sharp pointed structures which are called spines. Okay, if you touch the plant also, it will hurt you. And thorns protect the plant from animals. See, children, if any animal comes to eat the plant, the thorns will prick. Okay, automatically the animal won't eat the plant. That means the thorns are protecting the plant from animal. So example is cactus. See, children, cactus. Cactus plant is there. Okay, this is a desert plant. Rose, lemon plant. Rose plant, lemon plant. Children, have you seen lemon plant? These lemon plants will have thorns, children. Okay, so here once again I repeat, thorny plant bears thorns, sharp pointed structures, children. Those are called spines. They protect the plant from animals. Example, cactus, rose, lemon. Next one, water plants. Children, you know some plants grow inside the water. Have you seen any time? Yes, plants growing in water are called water plants. These water plants have soft stems. Some plants live completely underwater, children. Some plants live completely underwater. Here examples are given for water plants. Lotus. Children, do you know lotus? And hydrilla. Lotus and hydrilla. Okay. Children, now you take page number 37. Time to recall. Let's recall our lesson. There are many kinds of plants around us. Yes. We have seen big one and the small one. Some plants are big and some others are small. Big and strong plants are called, yes, children, trees. Most trees have branches. Okay, weak plants are called climbers. Weak plants are called climbers. Bushy plants are called shrubs. Weak plants are called climbers. Weak plants are called climbers or weak plants. Okay, and bushy plants are called shrubs, children. Bushy plants are called shrubs. SHRUBS. Okay, shrubs. Small plants with soft and green stems are called herbs. Okay, small plants with soft and green stems, soft and green stems, these are called herbs. These are called herbs, children. Okay, next one. Here see, climbers need support to stand. Yes, you have seen. Why? Because they have weak stems. Thorny plants bear thorns. Okay, they are sharp pointed structures. Understand? So this is the end of the lesson. Thank you.